welcome to the very first episode of Alex's tutorial. And in this episode of Alex's tutorial, I'm going to show you one of my favorite tools, which is the Shape Builder tool. That is right. In this episode of Alex's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use this Shape Builder tool. So here's the Shape Builder tool of where this is located in the toolbar menu. Here's the Shape Builder tool, and I'm going to show you how to use this tool and how you can apply it to other designs. So we're going to use I'm going to make a couple of shapes here. We're going to make a snowman, and since this is my first episode of Alex's tutorial on the Ambitious Designer channel, I want to show you what you can do with the Shape Builder tool in Adobe Illustrator. So let's make a snowman. Here's the first circle. We're going to be using 3 circles, and I'll show you how I apply it to my own designs. So this is pretty basic stuff, and since this is the first episode, I would like some constructive feedback on how you can make this tutorial better. So since this is the first episode of Alex's tutorial, I'm all for constructive feedback on how to show you how to use the Adobe Creative Suite. So let's make 3 different colors to differentiate the shapes. We have 3 shapes here. All you have to do is select all using the cursor. Once you select all, go to the Shape Builder tool, or Shift M, which is a shortcut on your keyboard. Shift M, or go to here, Shape Builder tool. And using the Shape Builder tool, it's like building Legos, in my opinion. Using the Shape Builder tool is like building Legos. You have 3 Lego pieces here, and you're going to make one whole new shape, and you just slice through. You just drag your mouse through the 3 shapes that you have selected, and you have built one new shape that you just saw right there. So yeah, so that's the fundamentals of using the Shape Builder tool. And there are many different ways that you can do this. Let's try different shapes just to get a basic understanding of how to use this. We have 3 different shapes, and all you have to do is overlap the shapes together. Once you are able to overlap, make sure you select all the shapes that you want to build a new whole shape. Press Shift M, or you can go to here, and you've built a entirely new odd shape. So yeah, all you have to do is, in order to use the Shape Builder tool, make sure your shapes are overlapping. In case if you have 3 different shapes that don't overlap, the Shape Builder tool will not work. So let's try a different way. So here's a different way to use the Shape Builder tool. Let's just say we're going to make an odd shape like this, right? So you can see that the shapes overlap, and all you have to do is drag your Shape Builder tool and go through the shapes that you see there. So it's under here. That's where the Shape Builder tool is located. And now what I'm going to do is there's two ways to use the shape builder tool. You want to remove the overlapping shapes. All you have to do is hold the Alt key. That is right. There's two ways to use the shape builder tool, one to build shapes and one to subtract shapes. And this is similar to the Pathfinder tool. Honestly, I've never used the Pathfinder tool in a super long time. I just go straight for the shape builder tool for my pathfinding needs. So make sure you hold the Alt shape to take away or subtract shapes. So you go to shape builder tool, make sure you hold the Alt key on your keyboard and you can remove shapes like what I'm doing right here. So make sure the shapes are overlapping and you have an entirely new design. Reminds me of a tennis ball, and that is frozen in motion. And you can also remove more shapes if you like. Here we have 4 Eaton pairs. Let's undo that. And yeah. So here you can remove shapes here and add shapes here. And yeah. So make sure you hold the Alt to subtract shapes. We're going to use this example as one of my first artworks that I showcased on Alex's artwork. This is a design that I designed for the Titan Shop's tote bag, as you can see here. You can find the video with the link below that talks about this artwork that I created for the CSUF Titan Shops. And you can see that we're going to use this sample of my artwork and how you can use this shape builder tool in everyday design. So here it is. Well, let's zoom in on this. Here you can see multiple shapes that are overlapping, which is which you can build a entirely new shape. Today we're going to build a new shape out of the facade of the Titan Shop store. Here you can see the outline of the overlapping shapes. So let's just say that we want to overlap the shapes right here. All you do is click and drag the cursor, Shift M, and you can build one entire shape out of many shapes. So this is this is building one entire shape that you see here. And you would use this if you want to simplify your artwork, since you have too many vector shapes that you have here and want to simplify of making one entire shape. This is the easiest route you go, and there it is. So yeah, so that is one of many samples that you see here of using the shape builder tool. If you like this tutorial, please give this tutorial a huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below on what you think about this video. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to check out my other YouTube content on this channel. And thank you for watching Alex's tutorial. And I will see you on the next one.